Now that we have seen the algorithm and pseudocode behind linear searching algorithm, let's go ahead and write the Java implementation for it. For that, I want to store all these searching algorithms inside a separate package. For that, I'm going to go ahead and create a new class, and I'm going to name the package as arrays.searching, and I will name the file linear searching. Okay, I'll simply add the main method also, and I'll click on finish. Okay, it basically added a class by the name linear searching. Now let's try to write a function public static, and in the end we need to return the index at which the value that user has passed is available. So for that I'm going to say return type as int. Let's name the function as linear searching. Okay, now this function will take integer array arr, and it will also take the value that we need to search. Okay, similarly, like we discussed inside the pseudocode, what we will do, we'll simply run a loop for int I equal to 0, I less than the length of the array, and I plus plus. We'll simply check if the value at ith index arr of I is equal to the value that user has passed. In that case, we'll simply return I, which is nothing but the index. Once we complete running this for loop, that means none of the indexes have the value that user passed. So we will simply return -1 here. Okay, as per my understanding, since array will not have -1 index, right? Because the main index will start from 0 till the whatever the length of the array -1. That's why I'm sending -1, but in your case, based on your agreement, you can send whatever the value that you want, and you can honor all the logics according to whatever the return value that you are going to return. Okay, in my case, I'm returning -1. Now, what I will do is I just want to execute and see if it is actually searching the value that I want to search. So let's say the array that I want to pass is 1, 2, -30, -200, 1, 2. Okay, now what I will do, I'll simply call the linear searching. I'll pass the array and the value that I want to search. Let me give it in variable int value equal to, let's say, 30. I want to search 30 here. I missed a comma. Okay, let me just pass whatever we have in the value. In the end, it will return the index, right? If at all, if it is found or not found, also it will return -1, right? So let me take that result into index. Let me just print it so that we can see the value and validate if it is exactly returning the exact index. So right click, run as Java application, -1. If you see the array values that we have passed, 30 is not available. We have -30. So let me just say the value that I want to search is -30. Now we should get index 2. See, we've got the index 2. Similarly, you can just try to search it in an array that is sorted also. The linear searching algorithm won't bother if the array is searched or anything. All we are trying to do is we're simply iterating it over the entire array like we have discussed in the algorithmic explanation. So if I run this, run as Java application, okay, -1 because -30 is not available in the array that we have given. Okay, this is how we actually implement the linear searching algorithm using Java.